It's just like any normal plugin for the Adobe products. We have it here, the print plugin. And now I open the plugin. The first thing it says is it's negotiating with the database online. And now it says, who are you? And I tell it who I am. And it knows my username and password. Okay. And now I log in. You'll notice now I am working as a designer in Adobe InDesign. But what I have is I have my exact same information. This is the same database that we have been working with in our digital asset management tool. We have been working with it in our single sign-on carousel. We worked with it also in our layout module as well as our catalog viewer. Everything from the same central database. Now I go here. I see my exact projects. These are the projects. This showcase is the one I was just working on. I open it. It shows me a listing of all the pages. Let's say I am the lady, who got the email saying that I had changes I needed to do on page 4 and 5. I go right here to page 4 and 5. I double click, and it opens from the central database. It opens here onto my local machine. This is saying the images are not linked, which is okay for what I'm going to do. I'm going to minimize here my my print module, and you'll notice here that you have this layer list that comes in. Okay, I can turn on and off the layers. Like you see, we have a status layer. Maybe you don't want to see the status layer, so you can just turn it off. And let's say, for example, I'm not an expert in InDesign either, so I don't know exactly the things to do. But, let's say I want to see my comment that was made. I received an email from the system saying I needed to make an image correction on page 4. I turn on my communication layer, and it says, please retouch the image. And this is the image that's being talked about because this is the sticky note that I stuck on in the database. Another cool thing is now I want to see where my English information is going to be. So I can turn on my English layer. Come on. And view. Oh, did I not? I don't appear to have saved my English text. If I had saved my English text, it would show up here. I'm not seeing it for some reason. I think I did something wrong. But it did bring over the English layer, but it doesn't have the English text. I'm not an expert here in InDesign, so I have obviously done something wrong. But this is full InDesign, fully interfacing with our database through this print plugin. And it's a very powerful feature. So now everyone works from one central source of data, or not, they have the ability to work from one central source of data.